Hi Micafam, Myra here. For today's video, as promised, ituturo ko sa inyo step by step paano natin malalagyan ng funds yung ating BPI SaveUp account via GCASH. Kaya kung interested ka, please keep on watching. And by the way, Micafam, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung video ko paano mag-create ng BPI account online, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng branch para magawa ito. Link will be in the description. Check it out. So guys, kailangan natin mag-deposit sa ating BPI account. And so, dito tayo sa ating GCash. Alright? To do that, punta tayo sa bank transfer. Napiliin natin tong BPI. Lagay natin dito yung amount. Account name, lagay lang natin dito yung name natin. Of course, account number, 10 digits po ito. So, kung hindi nyo alam, makikita natin ito dun sa ating BPI account. Alright? Then, ilagay natin dito yung email address natin. Pero, optional lang naman yan. Take note ha, may 15 pesos po na charge kapag ka bank transfer via GCash. And after nyan guys, confirm lang tayo. And then, okay. So, ayan, nabawasan na yung ating GCash account and naka-receive na rin tayo ng SMS from GCash. So, let's check our BPI account, guys. And there you have it, guys. Dito na po yung ating 3,000 pesos from GCash. Okay? Kung itatap natin yan, makikita natin dito yung transaction history. As you can see, credit memo yung nakalagay. Okay. So, ayun na guys, very simple and very instant yung pagdating ng pera sa ating BPI account. And there you have it, Micafam. Sana nakatulong kahit paano itong video sa inyo. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye for now. Stay safe.